Hello everyone, welcome to another Simply Crafty video. Today we are going to be making some painted canvas pouches. These ones are going to be Pixar themed and they are part of the Doodle Crate line by KiwiCo. So here before me are all the supplies that we're going to be needing for this project. Here are the two canvas pouches which I have already done the template for, which I'll be painting in this tutorial. So this one here is the logo for the upcoming Pixar film Elemental. And this one is Socks from Lightyear on both sides. Lightyear comes out on June 16 this year, and Elemental comes out June 16 next year. So here we have the instructions. Card to help to stabilize this while we're painting so it doesn't push in. The paint. Special gel pens. PVA glue. A paintbrush. And some special yellow paint for socks. Let's get into it. Everyone, here you have the final socks. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll like, comment and subscribe. Bye!